This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Amber Barrett. Farmhouse setting in a friendly subdivision. No HOA. One-level ranch with 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths situated on the back of a half-acre lot.Open floor plan. Enjoy the patio while looking over the raised bed garden in front of house, which can be watered using the 4 rain barrels attached to gutter system. 2-room shed for additional workshop or office space. Property also comes with a workshop/storage garage, large enough for a boat. Updates to property include metal roof added in 2018, updated appliances and front door in 2018, HVAC is 2 years old. House painted and added shutters 4 years ago. Front deck updated 4 years ago and back deck built 1 year ago. Driveway resealed in July of 2021. For more information, review the details below or contact Amber Barrett at 865-693-1111.